how to switch between demo and real accounts in JustMarket. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In JustMarkets, you can easily switch between the practice trading and live trading, so here's how you can easily do it. First of all, launch or open the JustMarkets app on your device and sign into your account. Once you're logged into the home page of JustMarkets, from the Accounts section, go ahead and tap the drop-down at the top center. You'll then be able to see the account's type displayed on the screen. If you want to switch to a demo account, make sure to tap Demo from the top and tap on the Demo account option. If you ever want to switch to real accounts, select Real from the menu and tap the Real option, and you'll be able to switch between demo and real account in JustMarkets. Switching between demo and real account is just super straightforward, and it only takes a few minutes. Demo accounts are great for practicing strategies, while real accounts let you trade in live market conditions. So there you have it. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.